Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you that you can use AI now to add things to your calendar if you're using a Samsung device. So I see a screenshot here, and it says Summer Game Fest, June 5th, 2026, and I'm lazy, so I'm not going to add it to my calendar manually. I'm just going to hold or say, hey Google. I'm going to say, can you add this to my calendar, the Summer Game Fest, on the screen?
I've scheduled Summer Game Fest live on your calendar for June 5th, 2026, from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
There you go. So that's how you add things to your calendar there, which is pretty dope. And I'm going to screenshot it just in case that the recording didn't get it. But yeah, so you never have to add something manual again. You can just screenshot it or ask Gemini or any other program AI bot that you have to add it to your calendar, which is pretty cool.